Hello everyone, welcome to class. This is Mathematics with Teacher Abbas and we are in percentage. This is a new topic. So we just finished ratio and we are in percentage now. This is one of the key topics in the grade level mathematics and we must take it very serious. Right, so please if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe and then share this amazing content to others. So what is percentage? Percentage is a part of 100 units. Percentage is a part of 100 units. It is a mathematical method of expressing quantities in parts of 100 units. So the word percent means per 100. Percent means per 100. It is represented by the symbol. Okay, so we can see the symbol of percentage here. So if you see us writing this symbol, that means percent. The total percentage of a quantity, that's 100%, means the full quantity. So that means 100% of 100,000 is 100,000. So that 100% is means a full quantity. So a fraction with the denominator of 100 can be called percentage. So if I have something like 3 over 100, I can call that 3%. 3 by 100 can be called 3%. Okay, so let me throw more light on percentage. Percentage has to do with is a system of writing numbers. So if you don't want to write it in the normal number system, you can decide to take it into the percentage system of numbers. Can you see that? So it's a different system, just like we have fraction. Fraction is a different system of numbers. So percentage is also a different system of number. Where total fraction is equal to 1, which we did this in the basic mathematics 1 series, the first one. So where the total fraction is always equal to 1, then when you come down to percentage, the total percentage is always equal to 100. So it's a different system of number. Okay, so changing all numbers, decimals and fractions to percentage. When changing numbers to percentage, when we say number, number can be decimal, can be fraction. So when changing numbers to percentage, we multiply the number by 100%. That's the principle. We multiply the number by 100%. So let's see some examples. Change the following numbers to percentage. Solution. So let's see, we have 4. Now 4 that we have here is equal to, if you want to write 4 as percentage, this is a number without percent. So that will give us 4 times 100%. So that means 4 is the same thing as saying 400%. So 4 is the same thing, just that now 4 is a normal number while 400% is in the percentage system. So but they mean the same thing. Okay, let's move to number 2, 75 over 100. So this particular branch of percentage is a simple thing. 75 over 100. So let's see, 75 all over 100. That would be equal to. So this is a number without percentage. So to make it percentage, we multiply it by 100%. So over 1, the 100 will cancel 100. So we have 75. We'll be left with 75%. And then we go to number 3. Number 3 says 0.886, 0.86 as percentage. That would be 0.86 times 100%. And if we multiply this, this is a power of 10. So we shift decimal point 2 times here, 1, 2. That will take away the zeros and that will give us 86%. So that is what we do when we change numbers to percentage. It's a very simple thing. So you have activity questions here. You just change them to percentages by multiplying them by 100% and that will give you your final answer. So this is what we do when we change numbers to percentage. Thank you for watching the video. Please do well to go through the series of percentages, all of them. Don't miss anyone. See you in our next class. Do well to like, subscribe, and also share this amazing content to others. Thank you.